Okay, so I have established a basic framework on here just as a point of starting, and I know that this is going to be the line that represents the back edge of that table. Everything will be measured in terms of that location. And if I look at my drawing and measure things out, I can pretty well tell that that pot will land at about this location for the top curve of that little pot. So I'm just going to rough sketch it out. It goes below the table. And now I have the first part of my composition sketched out, and that's not a bad place to begin. Let's see if I can find the other things that are going on relative to the position of this one. I can see that this, the back vase, is about in here, and it's coming in right along the edge of that golden rectangle section, and it ends a little bit shorter. And then we've got another larger pot that, relative to there, I can see that the pot sticks up a little bit and is rounded and just touches from where I can see it here, and is pretty much even with the bottom here. So I'm just using this as a framework in order to establish the basic shapes. And I'm going to go ahead and let this pot fall outside of our frame, because what I want to do is I want to make sure that kitty is about in the right place, and right now that kitty's back is sitting right in here. So our kitty is landing with its heart right about in that golden rectangle intersection.